This weird looking device is the reason why Nietzsche said God is dead. It changed Nietzsche completely. In 1881, Nietzsche was already having serious eyesight problems and he got a Mailing Hansen writing ball, a kind of fancy typewriter. Before this, writing by hand was slow, painful, and extremely tiring for him. This way, Nietzsche became the first philosopher to use a typewriter. See, when you write by your hand, your mind follows the pace of your hand. But when Nietzsche typed, the machine set a new rhythm. The clicking keys made him write faster, and the ideas started coming in short, sharp bursts, what we now call aphorisms. His famous line, God is dead, felt punchy because of this new rhythm. The typewriter didn't just record his thoughts, it actually changed them. His style became concise, playful, and more experimental. He could connect ideas in the ways handwriting could never. Basically, the machine reshaped his mind. And think about it, your tools shape your thinking too. Now tell me, is using AI for your writing okay?